Knee pads po ito. Para hindi masakit sa knees. Kailangan nyo na. Pakagabihin ko ba ma? Make sure you're in a one yellow. Sige, upo muna. Upo muna lahat. Sige, upo muna lahat. Then tingin sa mirror. Let's set you up first. Now, your left knee and your shoulder block may distansya po yan. 1 fist distance. Eto. So, dito dapat yung knee mo. Yan. There. Now, the distance between both knees, dalawang fist. There. Dalawang fist lang po. Patatlo na yung sa'yo, Ma'am Joy. Bawasan mo ng konti. Yan. And then, make sure yung sa harap, hindi dapat lumalagpas yung tungkod sa shoulder blocks. Yan. Very good. Lalagpas dito. Yan. Okay? Now, babalahan ng puwet. Your position right now, that's what we call your short kneeling. Pag inangat yung puwet, that's your tall kneeling. I want your hands interlace. Interlace your fingers. Place it behind your head. Thumbs on your neck. Elbows open. Chest open. Chest open. Tingin lang sa harap. Walang yuyuko. Scooping your belly in. Tailbone pointing down. Squeeze din ng puwet. Inhale. Exhale to lift your butt up. Going to your tall kneeling. There. Inhale to lower. Warm up lang. Exhale, go for 2 up. Tighten your core. Very good. Inhale to lower. Go for 3 para hindi unstable yung hips. Tighten your core. Inhale to lower. Go for 4 up. Inhale to lower. 4 na lang. Go for 5. Inhale to lower. Go for 6. Inhale to lower. Go for 7. Inhale, lower. Last one, go for 8. Inhale to lower. Get the short strap, the one that's in front of you. Hold it with your left hand. Yung nasa harap niyo po. Make sure you're in a one yellow string. There. Holding your short strap, go to your reverse T position. Your elbows in line with your shoulders. Yung palad, nakaharap po sa tenga. There. This is what you're gonna do. Every time you lift your butt up, you lift your arms up as well. Interlace pagdating sa taas. Arm straight, arm straight, arm straight. Diretso pa ng mga siko. Yan. Inhale to lower. Go back to your reverse knee. Baba din ang puwet. 5 beses lang. Inhale. Nakaharap yung palad sa tenga. Exhale, go for 2 up. Inhale to lower. Tighten your core. Exhale, go for 3. Walk up the knee towards one side. Tighten your core. Inhale to lower. Last 2. Exhale, go for 4. Inhale to lower. Last 1. Exhale, go for 5. Listen carefully. Hold your position. Arms straight. Walang maglilin. Tighten your core. Keeping your arms straight. Inhale, lower. In line with your chest. Exhale to lift. 5 lang to. Go for 2. Inhale. Exhale to lift. Go for 3. Inhale. Exhale to lift. Go for 4. Inhale. Exhale to lift. Last 1. Inhale. And exhale to lift your arms up. Hold your position. Let's target your obliques this time. Wala pong kekenden. Ang bending po sa may upper body. Inhale. Exhale, bend to your right side. Walang kekenden. Inhale, back to the center. Very good. Exhale, go for 2. Inhale, center. Exhale, go for 3. Inhale, center. Open your chest. Go for 4. Do not rotate. Inhale, center. Go for 5. Inhale, center. Go for 6. Inhale, center. Last 2. And center. Last 1. Hold it there. Tighten your obliques. Nag-warm up na tayo kanina. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Balik muna sa gitna. Lower down your arms. Inhale. Exhale to sit down. Relax and recover. We're not yet done. Before we rest, hold the long strap. Long strap with your right hand, left hand behind your back. There. Make a fist sa paghawak po ng strap. Long strap. Now, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna lift your butt up, going to your tall kneeling, then open your arms sideways. Yan. Okay? There. Inhale to lower. Exhale, go for 2. Balik din ang kamay. Go for 2. Up. Inhale to lower. Tighten your core para hindi umaalog. Exhale, go for 3. Cool. Inhale to lower. Exhale, go for 4. Cool. Inhale to lower. Last one, ready for some changes. Exhale, go for 5. Hold your position now. Inhale as you rotate towards the tower. Exhale to pull back to your center. Go for 2, inhale. Exhale to pull. Go for 3, inhale. Exhale to pull. Go for 4, inhale. Exhale to pull. Last one, inhale, rotate towards the tower. And exhale to pull. Hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Balik ng kamay, baba ng puwet. Relax and relax. Yes, masakit din po siya dito. Masakit din siya dito kasi you're going to your tall kneeling. Huwag lang po sa may loob, ha? Dito lang talaga siya. Masakit din siya. Masakit din siya. Masakit din siya. Mga bagyo po kanyang ganyan ito, mga. Alam na parang mag-skin.
Your rest, take a rest.
Before we proceed with your other side, facing the mirror, pakibalik po muna ng strap, facing the mirror tayo.
Which mirror?
The one on your right side. Nakikita ka na sa mirror.
Mirror 1, mirror
Sa side mirror.
side mirror.
Windshield. Feet flat against your shoulder blocks. Feet flat po sa shoulder blocks. Make sure to tuck your toes. Nakalabas ang mga daliri sa paa. Add ng right knee. 1 red, add 1 red. Sorry, add 1 red po. Add 1 red. There. There. Hands as wide as your shoulders. Kasi lawak lang ng shoulder. Then make sure your thumbs to the rest of your fingers. Dalawa kasi yan, ma'am. Okay na, mali.
Dapat dito ba? Okay.
Oo, dalawa kasi yung nagkakasya sa isa. Ay, ikaw pala. One shortcut ka. Now, make sure your back is straight. Atras ng konti ng puwet, but do not arch your back. Very good. Ito na yung position mo, ma'am. Huwag ka nagdadalaw dyan. Diyan ka lang. Huwag ka tatawa. Diyan ka lang, ma'am. Okay? You're gonna lift your knees up without pushing the carriage away. Wala po mag-aabante ng katawan. Do not shift your body weight forward. Get it from your core. Inhale. Exhale to lift your knees up. Very good. Inhale to lower. Exhale, go for 2. Up. Inhale to lower. Exhale, go for 3. Cool. Inhale, lower. Exhale, go for 4. Inhale, lower. Last one. Exhale, go for 5. Hold it there. 5. Neck long. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower muna ng knees. Sit on your heels. Go to your child's pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, you're gonna push the carriage away. Ready. Inhale muna. Tighten your core. Inhale. Exhale to lift your knees up. Inhale. Exhale, push the carriage away. No tension on your wrist, no tension on your shoulders. Inhale, bend your knees to bring back the carriage. Walang magbababa. Exhale, go for 2. Push. Inhale, return. Exhale, go for 3. Inhale, return. Exhale, go for 4. Inhale, return. Last one, 5. Hold it there. Tighten your 4, 5. Angat lang siya ng konti. 4, 3, babago na ng web, short kneeling muna tayo, then go to your reverse knee. Yung palad po, nakaharap siya sa tenga, tingin lang sa harap. Inhale. Exhale to lift your butt up and lift your arms up, interlace your fingers, body straight. Inhale to lower. 5 lang po yan. Exhale, go for 2, up. Inhale to lower. Right hand na po yan. Exhale, go for 3, up. Tighten your core. Inhale to lower. Exhale, go for 4, up. Inhale to lower. Last one, ready for some changes. Exhale, go for 5. Interlace your fingers. Body straight, please. Lower muna ng kamay. In line with your chest as you inhale. Exhale to lift. Go for 2, inhale to lower. Exhale to lift. Go for 3, inhale. Exhale to lift. Go for 4, inhale. Exhale to lift. Last one, inhale. And exhale to lift. Hold your position. Walang ganyan. Inhale. Exhale, bend to your left side. Inhale, back to the center. You're rotating. Exhale, go for 2, bend. Bender. Inhale, center. Exhale, go for 3, good. And center. Exhale, go for 4. And center. Go for 5. And center. Go for 6. And center. Last 2. And center. Last one, just try to hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the center muna. Lower down your arms. Lower down your butt. Get the long strap with your left hand. Hold the long strap with your left hand, then right hand behind your back. Yeah. Inhale. Exhale to lift your butt up and open your arms sideways. Think of your shoulders. Inhale to lower. Exhale, go for 2, pull. Inhale to lower. Exhale, go for 3, pull. Inhale to lower. Last 2. Exhale, go for 4. Inhale to lower. Last one. Exhale, go for 5. Hold your position. Inhale, rotate to your tower. Exhale to pull. Go for 2. Inhale. Exhale to pull. Go for 3. Rotate to your tower. Exhale, back to your center. Go for 4. Exhale to pull. Last one, inhale. And exhale to pull. Just try to hold it there. 5, 4, hold back. 3, 2, 1. Lower down your butt. Relax. Last one for your final challenge. Facing the tower, meeting the distance of your knees with your shoulder blocks. 1 fist. 1 fist pa din po yung distance of your shoulder blocks with your knees. Atras. Yan. Okay? Now, hawak dito sa wooden board ng reformer. There. Tuck your toes, please. Tuck ng toes. Ito po. Yan. Okay. Now, yung knees, huwag igagalaw. You can move your hips forward kasi I want your shoulders in line with your wrist. Move lang ng upper body. Yan lang siya. Forward mo ba yung kamay mo, ma'am? There. Now, tighten your core, scoop your belly in, walang mag-aarko and walang mag-round. You're gonna pull the carriage papunta po kay tower, but do not use your arms. Tingin kayo ng feel. You only pull with your core and your hips. And your turn. Wala po sa kamay. No tension on your hands. Okay? Ready. Inhale muna. Exhale to pull the carriage towards your tower. Inhale to return. Exhale, go for 2. Inhale to return. Exhale, go for 3. And return. Go for 4. Do not arch. And return. Go for 5. Lift your knees up. Angat na tuhod, then hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower. Bring back the courage. Go to your child's pose. Relax and recover. Step down the reformer. Have a sip of your water. Then pull down the tomato.
Galing